The manufacturing unit engage in the production of automobile parts in consideration for a proposal for purchasing one of the two plant details in given below. Plant A, Plant B. Plant A cost 20 lakhs, Plant B 38 lakhs. Installation cost 4 lakhs, here 2 lakhs. Life 20 years, 15 years. Scrap value 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Output per minute 200, but it's 400. The annual cost of the two plants, running hours per annum 2,200 equal. Wages 1 lakh, here 1 lakh 40,000. Indirect material 4 lakh 80,000, here 6 lakhs. Repair is 80,000, here 1 lakhs. Power is 2 lakh 40,000 here, and here power is 2 lakh 80,000. Fixed cost 60,000, here 80,000. Will be advantages to buy plant A or plant B. Substantiate your answer with the help of comparative unit cost of the plant. Assume interest of capital is 10 percentage. Make other relevant assumption. So 10% interest rate. Present value 20 years, 50 years. What 20 or 50 years? The useful life 20 years, 50 years. Present value point 0.1, point 0.234. Annuity of capital received 10%, 0.17, 0.1317. They gave the everything. Okay. Computing cost per unit method. Annual output develop 2,500, 2,000 unit correct. And 60 into 400. So 60 minutes, 60 minutes. Okay, that is the minutes calculation. So minutes into 100, 3 crores, here 6 crores. Annual cost, wages 4 lakhs, 1.4 lakh, indirect material 4 lakh to 60,000, repairs for 80,000, 1 lakh, power 2 lakh 40, 2 lakh 80, fixed cost 60,000, 80,000. Equivalent cost per unit. How did they calculate cash outlay 25 lakh, 24 lakhs? How? 1 lakh, that's 4 lakh 80,000 plus 80,000 plus 2 lakh 40,000 plus 60,000 for 9 lakh 50,000. Uh, to purchase this machine, we want to incur 20 lakhs. And installation cost 24 lakhs. Here 38 lakhs plus 2 lakhs. 38 plus 38 plus 2 lakhs, 24 lakhs. 20 lakhs plus 2, 4 lakhs, 24 lakhs. Present value of salvage 4 lakhsக்கு வந்து at 1.14 this at the age of 20 after this many year na 96,000. So annuity factor 1.1165. 24 lakhs into 0.1175. 39,440. 75016. So 24 lakhs minus 59,440 divided by 0.1175. 24 lakhs into minus 59,440 into 0.1175 போட்டோம்னா 0.75. So 24 lakhs minus 24 lakhs minus is negative 59,440. We will get one answer That is 23, 43, 560 into 0.1175. You will get this answer 27 or 26 because it's a present value. The present value of this annuity factor. Second is 40 lakhs minus 95. This is the amount of present value of salvage value 95, 760 into annuity factor 0.1315. You get 5 lakhs 13,408. Right? So we need to add this all. We add now, we will get 12 lakhs. We will add all this now, we will get 17 lakhs. So cost per unit is 12 lakhs divided by 13 crores, 0.14, 0.1. This cost is very less. So the unit cost is less is proposed by Plan B. It may be recommended that is advantageous to acquire Plan B.